Hey, my name is Jonas. Warm welcome to my review of Robin Palmer's DFY Commission Hijacker. So what I'm going to do in this review is I'm going to show you the actual members area that you're going to get access to if you decide to purchase this product. And in short, what this is one of Robin's methods that he's been using for quite some time now that has made him over $50,000. And it's actually so simple that I would almost call this a copy and paste method because that is basically the only thing that you're going to be doing. And I've used something very similar myself in the past and it works really well. So let's hop over to my computer right away and I'll show you what you're going to get access to if you decide to pick this up. Alright guys, so we are in the members area right now, but before I show you exactly what this is, let's just take a quick look at the sales page and kind of dissect that one. So it says, what if one method could finally change everything for you? The exact done-for-you system that generated over $50,000 in commissions. So we're handing you the method, the traffic sources, the automation tools, the entire blueprint. You just follow along. So this is something that Robin has used to make over $50,000 with in just 6 months, promoting both high ticket and recurring commissions offers. So this is a really cool product actually, and it's also very, very simple, as I said, because what you're basically doing here is pretty much just copy and pasting. It's very simple. So let me go back to the members area right now and let's talk about it. So the big picture, watch this first please. In this one, Robin is going to explain the method in a nutshell, and what it is basically is this. You're going to get access to a page that Robin has already created that is proven to convert. And you're then going to be able to enter your affiliate link for a recurring product that Robin mentions in this course, and then use that page yourself to get affiliate commissions from. And it's going to explain how to get traffic and all that kind of stuff, and that is going to be completely free. So how does this actually work then? Well, you're going to be using a free traffic source. This is going to be Reddit, and no, you don't need to post on and go viral and stuff on Reddit. What this basically is, you're going to post on Reddit and you're going to be able to rank it on YouTube basically. Sorry, not YouTube, on Google. And this post will then show up when people are searching for example, product name review and things like that, because Reddit has got a lot of authority basically. So Google will gladly rank these posts at the top of Google, at the top of the first page. Whenever someone searches for it, your post will then be able to show up quickly. And if you're currently thinking, well, I don't know what to write about, I don't know anything about this program that Robin recommends, you don't need to, because you're going to be using AI to write the posts and stuff for you. You're literally just going to feed it a couple words and then that's going to be completely done. So as I said, pretty much copy and paste. So if we go down here, we'll see more what the page is actually going to look like, how you get access to it. And this one, I believe, is going to cost you around $9 per month to get access to it. But the average commission you make is going to be a lot more than that. I think it's like $40 is where most people get per sign up that they get. And this is going to be recurring as well. So it can actually end up being quite a lot. But what you can also do is you don't have to stick with just what Robin is talking about in here. So he's talking about a specific program. What you can do, and I was going to use this as a bonus if you purchase this from my link. By the way, the link is below this video, but I can't be bothered. So what I'm going to do instead is just say right here. So if you want to use this method but promote pretty much anything else, like whatever you want, you can literally just go to ChatGPT and you can type in give me some recurring online softwares that I can promote as an affiliate. And just to give you some examples, this could be, for example, Aweber, which is an email autoresponder. GetResponse is another email autoresponder. This could be, for example, like ClickFunnels. Pretty much anything you can think of that exists online. Most products will have an affiliate program. And if it's something that people have to pay for monthly, odds are the commissions that you get will be recurring as well, and not just a one-time commission. So that is something you can do. So literally just ask ChatGPT to give you some examples of products that you can promote, and you can do that. And you can also do this with other things as well. It's like any product that you see release, like for example, if you are promoting make money online products like this one, you can use the exact same method for that, which is really cool. So that gives you way more products and things to promote than just what Robin is talking about. So that's one thing you can do as well. So this one right here, earn quick cash. This is very cool. This is actually something that I've been teaching myself before in a similar way. Very quickly, this is how you can make some money playing games on your phone. Robin has got some examples as well. He's got a couple different payouts as well. Not a ton of money. This isn't something that's going to make you rich unless you really go all in and play a lot. But you can absolutely make a couple $100s per month. I've seen some people make around $3,000 to $4,000 per month just playing games on their phones, which is insane. But you can actually do it. I wouldn't count on it though if you just want to play like a little bit, but a couple of dollars here and there for playing some pretty fun games on your phone, not bad. So after that, you can just see how to actually get the traffic from Reddit, where to post, and everything else. And this one as well, this is something that I've done myself. I'm not going to explain what it is that Robin is actually doing here, but I've done it myself. This is something that I've made a ton of money from, and this is something that I would highly recommend you to do as well. Bless me. Thank you. After that, we get more traffic assets. So this is something that Robin actually told me about a couple weeks or a couple months ago, what he's doing, and it's very smart. It is basically allowing you... No, actually, I'm not going to get into that. It's just very smart, okay? So you'll see how to generate free traffic with groups, and then you get some more traffic assets that you can use with your done for you viral page. So in short, the method itself, very simple, as I said, and also very, very powerful. So that is pretty much all you need. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you later. But again, link down below. That's it. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.